Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm sharing how much YouTube paid me for June. And I have a lot of really interesting thoughts about this. I love YouTube and I wish that I wouldn't have slept on it. This month for June, I made $139.85. We have about the same subscribers, about 250 every month. Our watch time is about 1,000 and our views are 34,000. And as you guys know, I posted this in the community tab that I hit my first $10 day. And I haven't cracked the YouTube code yet. I really don't know exactly what I'm doing. But I do know that I'm providing value for what I'm learning and you guys give me feedback. So that's the forefront of what's important to me. When we talk about like duplicating this $10 day, I'm not exactly sure how to do that yet. And I don't think anybody watching is like, hey, I do this all the time. You should do this. You guys are just so graciously allowing me to publish about my business on here. I did join a coaching program this week for a YouTube, and this YouTuber, she hit 1 million followers on TikTok, and now she's growing her YouTube to 1 million followers, and she has 140,000 followers at the time that I joined her program, and she turned off monetization because she doesn't want other people advertising on her account. So I've never learned from anyone like that has turned off monetization. So I will let you guys know how that goes. I have my first coaching call this week. So I would like to do more $10 days and I'm going to keep publishing. This is the estimated revenue, what's called the RPM, you're paid out for every 1,000 views. So we're slowly getting there. We're slowly getting there, and I'm okay with that. I love YouTube to connect with you guys, and this is just a bonus part. So let me actually dive in to show you some of the content that's doing well. Okay, so this is actually so funny. This feels so peaceful to share this with you. I wish I could share all of my KDP books, when I share my revenue income stream and all the things. But it's kind of weird that on YouTube, you can copy this video and I don't care, but I mean, if you actually had a video about a 6-figure course creation tip, I would want to know all the things about it. Course creation isn't performing that great on my channel, but it's something I'm really passionate about, so I'm going to lean into it. You can see here that you guys helped me get 4,000 subscribers this past month, and we're at 222. And you can come in here to your analytics and see what does well. So if you want to ever duplicate and make more of that content, you can. When you go into revenue, you can see what you're being paid the most for. This has been the same video in our top earnings tab that the video that has made me the most also has the most views. It's the video I did in September about how I sold over 45 grand for one book. So if we go to this year, you can see that has also, let's see, made me the most money, right? It's a video that's made about $100. So that's pretty exciting. That's the goal, is to get each video making a certain amount every month. And I would like it to be around $10. So I am working on that. And I know it's the slow game with YouTube, and I've only been monetized this year. So let me know what questions you have and if there's anything I can do for you guys. Love you. See you in the next video.